Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Nuclear Astada Abeliana.
Okay, Nuclear, can you please tell me something about yourself?
I am 32 years old and I am a single mom. My daughter is 7 years old now. She's in grade 1. And I am the eldest of the family. I have 4 siblings and I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. And I studied for 12 years. I took up computer programming for 2 years. And also I work in Dubai for 2 years almost. From September 2008 to November 2010. I work as a sales staff. And also I work as assistant secretary here in the Philippines for 1 year and a half.
Okay. Do you have local experience in the Philippines as
Yes,
housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. I work as a housemaid for 3 years, from 2003 to 2006.
Okay, so what were basically your duties and responsibilities with this local employer?
My duties are everyday work, household chores, household cleaning, cooking, and washing the clothes, and ironing the clothes also, ma'am.
Okay. What dishes can you cook?
I cook Filipino food and sometimes pasta also, simple dishes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have experience looking after babies or children?
My experience in taking care of babies just only for my daughter.
Okay. So, why do you want to work in Singapore?
Ma'am, I'm willing to work in Singapore for my daughter because I'm separated now from my husband, so I have to take care of my daughter's education.
So, you want to save for the future of your daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Nuclear, you think you can work in Singapore, big house?
Yes, ma'am.
Ken?
Yes.
Are you afraid of dogs?
No.
So, if your employer has dogs, are you willing also to look after those dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're willing to go on a salary deduction
Yes, ma'am.
while on loan,
Yes,
no
ma'am.
day off, no hand phone, Ken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Would you like to say a message to your future employer?
Hi, sir, ma'am. I'm Nuclear Abeliana. I hope that you will pick me as your housemaid for how many months or years the contract. I will finish them all, and I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities every day. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.